In the ongoing investigation in alleged sextortion cases, Kalangut police has got big breakthrough and has arrested mastermind Harish Hemnani. Harish is native of Gujarat and he is the mastermind behind the fake rape cases lodged in the state of Goa in last 1 year. Goa police has constituted a special team to investigate these fake rape cases, which is headed by DIG Aslam Khan, and this team also comprises SP North End Crime Nidhin Walson and SP Cyber Cell Akshat Kausal. After intense investigation of almost 1 month, police has reached till Harish Hemnani and has learned that he has been instrumental and mastermind behind these fake cases, behind registration of these fake rape cases, which has been lodged by his female associates during last 1 year. This story had started in November 2022 when a girl had registered fake rape case against a Gujarati businessman Anant Kumar Tanna with the Anti-Human Trafficking Unit, alleging that she is the model and Anant Kumar Tanna intoxicated her and raped her. But now it has been revealed that was a fake rape case with intention to extort money from businessman Tanna. In view of that, Anti-Human Trafficking Unit has now written to the concerned court requesting to grant them permission to re-investigate and file fresh report in this matter. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.